Last time I showed you guys all the oxidation that was happening. This was turning to dust, just like that. You see that? This ferro rod needs some maintenance. I'm touch up the handle, but to get rid of that, use a little bit of oil. And that's all you need, folks. This is cutting oil for when I drill holes on the ferro rods. But you can use any kind of oil, motor oil, cooking oil, as long as you get a light coat and it's not sticky or slimy. All right, here I have ferro shavings from like at least 2 years ago. I used to save all my shavings from when I used to drill holes, or when I do drill holes on ferro rods. And this is the shavings, folks. They're still in good shape after many years. I had it in a different bottle, but it fell over, and I just put it here for just to show you guys how the oil preserves the ferro rod. Let's see if it lights up with a ferro rod. Boy, that burns hot. That's pure ferrocerium rod shavings and oil. Check that out. Interesting. Like I said, I had this for at least 2 years. Check it out. This is ferrocerium rod shavings. That's an inferno right there. Very nice. Whoa, that thing is very hot. There it is, folks. Now let's do a fatwood fire. This fatwood is from East Texas, John Capps. That's enough. Check out that sticky fatwood. There it is.